With so much false information out there, I created a video with 7 effective ways to glow up that are backed by science. Your only challenge now is to put these into practice, as your appearance will change almost immediately as a result of all 7 of these. If you're successful, you will look completely different by tomorrow. 1. Take smart drugs to get a beautiful woman. Smart drugs, or nootropics, are substances that make you smarter and have been proven to have an ability to improve brain performance. According to research, the way nootropics work is that it increases brain function and memory, creativity, motivation, and attention. These benefits will make you feel good about yourself, give you a sense of power. And here's where it gets interesting. Studies have shown that there is a direct correlation between the intelligence of a man and how beautiful their partner is. I want you to start with well-known nootropics that have conclusive studies. For example, your caffeine, your L-theanine, your creatine. You want to start with low doses of each nootropic to see how your body responds before you get into anything serious. So I'm going to show you my personal nootropic stack. The first one is completely natural, and it's cortisol. Every morning, I go and grab some vitamin D from the sun. This wakes you up and spikes your body with cortisol that makes you alert. You do not want to disrupt this natural process with a cup of coffee. Instead, drink a glass of water. Then, the coffee comes around 11 in the morning with a double espresso. Here's where the caffeine kicks in to continue that alertness that natural cortisol spike already gave you. While I'm working throughout the day, I like to chew on nootropic gum that will increase brain performance so I can focus on the task that I have at hand. These nootropic gums will usually have a mix of L-theanine, vitamin B, and caffeine. Just 50 milligrams of L-theanine has been proven to increase alpha waves in the brain, which is the area responsible for creativity. Finally, to end the night, I'll take my creatine and a shake. See, everyone knows that creatine is an amazing muscle building supplement, but it's also amazing for your brain. It creates energy supply for your brain cells, which gives you a short-term boost in your reasoning skills. Number 2, forget testosterone. Boost your collagen instead. Collagen is 30% of your body's protein supply and is responsible for the structure within your skin and your hair. The more collagen your body produces, the better skin you usually have. This is why you should not only just focus on boosting testosterone, focus on boosting collagen also, which will make your skin look better. Most people don't think about boosting their collagen or the effects it has, which is why your skin looks dull, it looks dry, it looks brittle. So to boost collagen, there's 3 simple things you can start doing. 1, focus on certain foods that boost your collagen production, like bone broth, oranges, berries, nuts. Then I want you to take a collagen supplement. One specific study found that just 90 days of taking collagen can improve skin elasticity and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. And 3, you can try red light therapy. Now, there's specific red light therapy pens you can find on Amazon for around $30 to $50. And this specific study concluded that this is one of the quickest and safest ways to force your skin to produce more collagen. Most dermatologists, they'll offer this service for you, but it's kind of expensive. It's better to buy it and do it at home, and it's just as safe. 3, surround yourself with the 4 people you want to become. If you surround yourself with 4 guys that are muscular and motivated to go to the gym, you'll become the 5th. If you surround yourself with men that are millionaires and always networking, you'll become the 5th. If you surround yourself with guys that always dress nice, you'll become the 5th. This is called mere exposure effect, where we develop habits and likings to things that we're mostly exposed to. This is exactly why I love the community I built with Essentials. Forget the brand, forget the clothing. Look at the people wearing the brand. It's for overachievers. It's for men that consistently try to level up. It's for the men that are in control of their own achievement. Look, it's not for everyone. Regardless of the fact, you need to pick who you associate with, because mere proximity effect can have a negative catalyst. Look at your friend group. Are any of them smarter, more in shape, better dressed, or make more money than you? If the answer is no, that means you're next. There is another rule that backs this up called the law of average. It basically states that things will become more similar over time. You will become what they are. I need you to break that cycle, and I want you to join the millions of men that continually try to level themselves up, starting with how they dress, which ultimately changes how we think. My new Essentials launch is dropping June 24th at 10 a.m. Eastern. The men that are fast, they will get the product. Those that are slow to react in life, they always end up emailing mad because they didn't get a chance to purchase the product. Our drops sell out fast. I don't want you to miss it. If you guys want to check it out, I would put a reminder on your phone so you can be reminded. June 24th, 10 a.m. Eastern, new Essentials is dropped. So far, science and myself have shown you that with smart drugs, increasing collagen, and adding 4 specific people to your life, you can glow up. I got 4 more left that I know you've probably never heard of. Just imagine if you were to put all 7 into practice in your life. What will you look like a week, a month, or a year from now? 4, do facial yoga to change your face shape. Working facial muscles can improve your face structure, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and make you feel and look more attractive. According to this research paper, doing facial yoga can reduce the signs of aging by stimulating the facial muscles and promoting more blood flow to the face. Now, if you push yourself too hard or don't use the right methods, you can actually end up hurting yourself or damaging your skin. So here are 3 steps you want to do it right. You want to do something called the jaw flex. You will look all the way up towards the ceiling until you feel a stretch right on the sides of your neck. Then you're going to bring your bottom jaw over your upper lip, almost like an underbite. You will feel tension in your jaw muscle. As soon as it feels uncomfortable, that's when you'll stop and hold for 10 seconds. Then you will release and repeat the process 10 times every day. 2. Use gua sha to structure your jawline. This helps relax your facial muscles while improving blood circulation in the face. The combination of both can do a great job to structure the area around your jawline. So to do this properly, you want to make sure you start with a clean face. Then you will want to apply some sort of facial oil to allow the gua sha to glide on the skin. Then to do this properly, you will start in the middle of your chin and then work your way upwards along the natural line of your jawline all the way up to your ear. You want to do this about 5 times per side, and also as a general rule of thumb, you always want to go upwards and never downwards. Remember, your skin fights against gravity daily. This is what causes that saggy, wrinkly face. You want to fight against this by pushing upwards on the skin. Finally, number 3, replace all your soft foods with hard food. This was proven in a study with mice where there was a direct correlation between the hardness of your food and the masseter muscles inside the mice. Our bodies are biologically wired to change and adapt. If you start eating harder foods to chew, like your meats, your carrots, your apple, and then stop eating the softer stuff like your oatmeal and your smoothie, you will force this masseter muscle to grow as you put that muscle through stress every time you eat. Number 5. Experiment with cold therapy. Cold therapy is a great way to help with depression and slow down the aging process. And no, you don't have to take freezing cold showers that are extremely uncomfortable to get the benefits. I'm going to show you a simpler process. Now, the specific study proved that implementing this in your day can help with your mental health by reducing anxiety, reducing stress, and helping you be more focused and stronger. That energizing feeling you're going to feel when you step into the cold shower can increase your endorphin and adrenaline levels in the body. Step 1. Start with cold showers, but make it gradual. I need you to challenge yourself to step into the cold water for at least 10 seconds, and then you want to follow it by reheat therapy with lukewarm water. Every day you will increase this exposure by another 10 seconds, so tomorrow it'll be 20, the next 30, and so on. Your ultimate goal is to be able to withstand 2 minutes of a cold shower. Step 2, now you take it into an ice plunge. You have prepared yourself to that exposure. To do a proper ice plunge, you can fill any tub you have around the house with freezing cold water and then go to your ice machine or buy some ice at the local store and fill the tub with ice. Then just soak in there for 1 to 3 minutes, and you can do this 1 or 2 times every week. And here's a bonus tip. A study that was done on rugby players found that doing ice plunges can actually increase your testosterone levels by up to 50%. Number 6. Use peptide skincare. Peptides are small little particles that penetrate the skin, which help repair the skin to make it more elastic, removing any fine lines or wrinkles. Research has proven that peptides help with the appearance of your skin by making it look younger, by producing more collagen and increasing the properties of your skin like elasticity, moisture, and reducing any sort of water loss. Now, I personally like to simplify the process, and I like purchasing moisturizers that already have peptides in it. No need to buy 2 separate products, as both of these work really well together. As a matter of fact, the one that I have is actually a 3-in-1. That is a moisturizer, has peptides, and vitamin C. 3 products that I use on the daily. The moisturizer helps hydrate the skin, the peptide helps repair the skin, and the vitamin C helps give the skin a healthy, natural glow. Ultimately takes us to number 7. Learn to breathe right to change the structure of your face. If you breathe through your nose, your face is going to look better and you're going to be less likely to have any teeth problems. And you have to act fast, because if you are breathing incorrectly, you could permanently damage your face and to a point to develop something called chronic breather face. This is an example of it. This is a 10-year-old boy that they followed all the way up to age 17. He was developing normally with a great jawline and then developed chronic breather face because of his improper breathing practices. All right, so how do you breathe correctly? First, you want to press your tongue against the roof of your mouth, especially the back of your tongue should be hitting the top part of your mouth. You'll know you do this correctly because the bottom part of your jaw, you'll feel it getting tighter and almost like pressing upward. Then, you want to focus on taking slow, deep breaths through your nose, filling up your diaphragm. You will completely change the structure of your face almost instantly as you apply it. Now, here's an extra bonus. When you're a mouth breather, you exhale way too much carbon dioxide that puts your body in a high stress zone. Breathing through your nose relaxes you, and I personally practice nose breathing. As a matter of fact, I even wear something called the Whoop that tracks my stress level, and I'm always below average and relaxed. That's it for me today, boys. I'm gonna leave you with 2 great videos here if you guys want to watch them. See you next time.